someone to tell you everything. Sit around and wonder what tomorrow will bring. Maybe a diamond ring.
Well, it's alright, even if they say you're wrong. Well, it's alright, sometimes you gotta be strong. Well, it's alright, as long as you got somewhere to lay. Well, it's alright, every day is Judgment Day.
Maybe somewhere down the road away, you'll think of me and wonder where I am these days. Maybe somewhere down the road when somebody plays Purple Haze.
Well, it's alright, even when push comes to shove. Well, it's alright, if you got someone to love. Well, it's alright.
Ain't nobody gonna lead the way, except for you and me to make the differences. We're trying to see and take control of our own minds.
How many people got control of their mind?
Take control of our own minds. Start letting them shape and mold them till we go blind.
Unlock your brain and set your mind, stay free. Set your mind, stay free. Unlock your brain and set your mind, stay free.
Once you open the door, there ain't no closing it. You're a soldier at war, living within the core of the story.
More, what are you doing?
You know, just working on the ride, getting her tuned up for the race season. I mean, I just dropped a 156 in this sucker.
Yeah.
I should be able to pull some pole shots. I mean, a lot of people say the two-stroke's dead, but I say the two-stroke's just beginning.
The more that we sip liquor and hope that it gets rid of the problems and makes life better, it's more bitter. Yo, I'm not a bullshitter, man. Everything that glitters can't be gold. We sold our souls for so little, and now we gotta stop following these fake leaders and stand proud and stop swallowing what they feed us. Ain't nobody gonna lead the way. It's up to you and me to make the differences. We're trying to see and take control of our own minds. Ain't nobody gonna lead the way. It's up to you and me to make the differences. We're trying to see and take control of our own minds. Stop letting them shape and mold them till we go blind.
Unlock your brain and set your mind, stay free. Unlock your brain and set your mind, stay free.
Once you open your eyes, ain't no going back to closing your mind. You're chosen to shine, not knowing you're frozen in time. From Atlantis to Sumer, Babylon to Rome, onto the average consumer who travels on the road. From NATO to NATO to the gavel that they hold, to the billions of children like cattle that they sold. Every day it's like a battle for your soul. Be aware of all the weapons that you have at your disposal. No, you got a doubt in your heart and soul that no man can stop you from reaching the hardest goal. But you allow it to happen, coward, but you got the power to stop them, the power to trap them, to lock them in. They can't live without your fear like it was oxygen. To breathe in deep and expel the fear and toxins. Stand with me, you might feel the sand shifting. And step away from the sins of our ancestry.
Ain't nobody gonna lead the way. It's up to you and me. Take control of our own minds.
How many people got control of their mind?
Ain't nobody gonna lead the way. It's up to you and me to make the differences. We're trying to see and take control of our own minds. Stop letting them shape and mold them till we go blind.
Set your mind, stay free. Unlock your brain. Set your mind, stay free.
I want to ask y'all something. Check this out. How many people got control of their minds?
What a faggot. Look at that fat ass.
I sucked.
I took you out, Jordan. I got kicked out by fat ass.